banks embrace crypto, a new era begins. The world of finance is undergoing a remarkable shift. Traditional banks, once the gatekeepers of the financial ecosystem, are now beginning to embrace cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, a move that just a few years ago seemed improbable. This evolution marks a pivotal moment in financial history, one that promises faster transactions, lower costs, and global accessibility. But what does this mean for you, the everyday user? And how could this reshape the future of money? Let's dive into this exciting journey. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon. For decades, the banking system has been built on slow, expensive, and often cumbersome processes. Wire transfers can take several days to clear, international transactions are riddled with high fees, and financial access is still elusive for billions of people across the globe. Banks, by nature, have been conservative in adopting new technologies, holding steadfast to models that depend on centralization and manual oversight. But beneath the surface, cracks have been forming. The rise of fintech, digital payments, and now cryptocurrencies has forced established banks to reconsider their approach. Customers are demanding faster, more efficient systems. And in the age of blockchain technology, it's clear that a transformation is not only possible, but inevitable. Before we get into the how and why of banks embracing crypto, it's worth understanding what makes these technologies so revolutionary. Cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, are digital currencies that operate on a decentralized ledger known as blockchain. Blockchain is essentially a digital record-keeping system that ensures transparency, security, and efficiency. Unlike traditional financial systems, which are slow and heavily regulated, blockchain allows transactions to occur in real time, bypassing intermediaries like clearinghouses. Millions of individuals and businesses have already embraced these technologies for their speed and cost-effectiveness. For banks, this presents both a challenge and an opportunity. So, what's driving this dramatic shift? 3 key factors are at play: speed, lower costs, and global accessibility. Let's break each of these down. One of the biggest inefficiencies in traditional banking is the time it takes for transactions to be processed. Cross-border payments, for instance, might take days or even weeks to clear when relying on existing systems like SWIFT. Enter blockchain technology, which can settle transactions in minutes, regardless of the location or time zone. Take remittances as an example. Millions of people transfer money across borders every day, whether it's migrant workers sending funds back home or small businesses paying overseas suppliers. With blockchain solutions, these payments can be completed almost instantly, revolutionizing how global commerce operates. Slow transactions aren't just inconvenient, they're expensive. International transfers can come with a hefty price tag due to the fees imposed by banks and currency exchanges. Blockchain technology eliminates many of these middlemen, drastically reducing transaction costs. Banks themselves stand to save billions annually by adopting blockchain to streamline their operations. But it's not just banks that benefit. These cost savings are often passed down to consumers, making it cheaper for everyday users to send money and conduct business. Imagine being able to transfer funds to a family member abroad without worrying about losing a slice to hidden fees. Perhaps the most exciting aspect of cryptocurrency is its potential to reach the billions of people who are unbanked or underbanked. According to the World Bank, nearly 1.4 billion adults worldwide lack access to the formal financial system. For these individuals, cryptocurrency offers a lifeline. All that's needed is internet access to participate in a global financial ecosystem. With banks increasingly adopting crypto, previously underserved populations may finally gain access to financial products and services that were once out of reach. This shift could bridge socioeconomic divides and pave the way for a more inclusive global economy. We're already seeing major banks and financial institutions take cautious yet decisive steps into the crypto space. Over the past few years, some significant announcements have laid the groundwork for this new future. For example, banks like JP Morgan Chase have developed blockchain-based systems such as JP Morgan Coin, aimed at improving their payment processes. Similarly, Goldman Sachs has announced crypto trading desks to handle digital assets for their clients. Simulated headlines and news clips will showcase how these traditional banking giants are actively integrating blockchain into their operations. In places like Switzerland, banks are at the forefront of launching crypto-friendly services. Companies like UBS and Credit Suisse are engaging in blockchain experiments to better serve institutional and retail clients. These developments highlight a clear trend: the world's biggest financial players are no longer sitting on the sidelines, they're entering the game. With banks embracing crypto, the changes will undoubtedly trickle down to individuals and small businesses. Here's how. As banks integrate blockchain into their systems, the average customer will experience faster banking services. Think of a scenario where transferring money to a friend halfway across the world feels as seamless as sending a text message. For businesses, this can mean quicker payments from clients and smoother management of supply chains. The reduction in transaction fees could translate to meaningful cost savings for ordinary consumers. Whether you're paying bills, sending money to loved ones, or running a small business, these lower costs could give you more financial flexibility. As mentioned earlier, one of the most transformative aspects of crypto adoption is its ability to provide basic financial services to millions of people who previously lacked access. Governments and banks could use blockchain-based solutions to deliver aid, distribute loans, or facilitate e-commerce on a global scale. While the potential is tremendous, the road ahead isn't without its bumps. Transitioning to blockchain systems raises concerns around privacy and data security. Since blockchain transactions are immutable and transparent, there is a need to ensure that sensitive user data is adequately protected. Furthermore, regulatory hurdles remain a major challenge. Different countries have varying stances on cryptocurrencies, with some unclear regulations making full adoption difficult. Banks must also balance innovation with maintaining the trust of their customers, who may not fully understand digital currencies yet. Finally, as banks enter the crypto space, the question remains: will they maintain the decentralized ethos of cryptocurrency, or will they attempt to centralize it within the traditional banking framework? The merging of traditional banking with crypto technology is more than just a trend, it's a seismic shift in how value is exchanged globally. Banks adopting blockchain signals a move toward more efficient, transparent, and inclusive financial systems. This could lead to a future where digital currencies coexist with fiat money, serving as key tools for trade, investment, and personal finance. For enthusiasts of decentralization, the bank's involvement might feel paradoxical. However, it's important to note that widespread adoption, whether by individuals or institutions, ultimately validates the power of blockchain technology. We are entering a new chapter of global finance, one where banks and cryptocurrencies are no longer adversaries, but collaborators. This partnership opens doors to faster, cheaper, and more inclusive financial systems, a future where money moves freely, without unnecessary barriers. As we wrap up, it's clear, this shift is not just about technology, it's about transforming how we think about and interact with money. For crypto enthusiasts, everyday users, and banking institutions alike, the opportunities are immense. Don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Kryptonite for more amazing crypto news and stay updated on the world of crypto. Let us prepare for this future together. The era of fusion between tradition and innovation is here, and the financial world will never be the same.